All right.
Speaking of passengers.
Yeah. Speaking of passengers, getting up the so I do consult with a couple of Wall Street banks, and I write them quarterly reports before their earnings come out. And I subscribe to Yipit Data. Yipit Data is a wonderful company that sells you data because they have the information. And so this is some snippets I got from them so that I can show without blowing their cover. Now, if you're interested, you can pay a couple $1,000 a month and then get the total information of what's happening, the true picture. So the first one says average charges for UberX rides in the Bay Area rose more than 38. I can assure you guys that in LA, that 38 is 50% higher. So figure out how much rides have gone up from 2019 to 2022 for the passenger. So it gone up from 1554 to 2149. That's 38%, 40% close to, in the last 3 years, according to market research from Yipit Data. Uber and Lyft, San Francisco, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so the next one, the average order sizes on DoorDash are remaining mixed. So I also follow DoorDash, obviously, Grubhub. If you look at that line, DoorDash is at the top and Uber in the middle, and Grubhub is gone. I don't know where I think it's gone to zero. So basically, it's slowing down. Okay, the demand has peaked, obviously, with the ending of the pandemic. If you see the red line, it's kind of trending lower, and Uber's is trending lower. That's why all those top dashers are not making money, because there aren't that many orders, and average order sizes are going down. Actually, they're not remain mixed. When they say mixed, that means it's going down. And DoorDash leads the delivery world by far, now up to 60% third-party delivery. So the third-party delivery means like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub, basically. Innovative company. They're trying to be, but they're in a shit business, people. They're not going to make money because delivery has always been a shit business, and it's always going to be. Even with their best algorithms and software, they're not going to make money. And so there you go. They have 60% market share, which is pretty massive when it comes to that. Uber obviously is number 2 in the orange line in the middle, and Grubhub way down there, 4%, I think. So if you guys are interested in all this data, you can go subscribe to Yipit Data, pay a couple of grand like I do, and then figure all this out. But I just wanted to put out there because, we've been talking quite a bit. But my question is, so San Francisco or Bay Area, the ride prices are up 38%. LA, okay, I'll give you the number. It's 52%.
All over the place, it's up.
52% in LA. All right. So the question is, with this new algo, how much of that 52% is the driver going to see? Because my rates stay the same. It's 60 cents a mile and 21 cents a minute in 2019, and 60 cents a mile and 21 cents a minute today. Mm-hmm. Nothing has changed with my rates in LA or in California, right? Well, in LA. So, but the rates have gone up 38 to 52% on the passenger. So how am I supposed to get a piece of that? Like, how do I do it? Mm-hmm. Right? So the driver is not getting that. So Uber is charging more and not paying. Basically,
the only way would be with surge or with some sort of bonus. That'd be the only way. But when it comes to rates, how come the rates have not gone up with it?
Yeah. Well, so with the new algo and the test we're going to run, right? We're going to figure this out. Like, what part of that 38 to 52% is the driver getting? Mm-hmm. Are they getting any? Maybe they're getting all of it. Maybe they're getting half of it. Obviously, they're not getting all of it. So to me, it's like Uber is keeping up with inflation. Obviously, we know we're paying for everything 50 to 100% more in the last 3 years, right? And commensurate with inflation, Uber's rates have gone up between 38 and 52%, keeping pace with inflation. Now, have driver incomes kept pace with inflation and gone up 38 to 52%, just like the passenger fares have done? I don't think so. But if there is people out there who are making 38 to 52% more than 2019 as a driver, that means you're getting all of that passed on to you, which is wonderful. I doubt it, but maybe they are. I don't know. What do you think? Are you making 38 to 52% more, Chris, than 2019? No. Okay. All right, then.
It would be the same. Actually, it's roughly. I haven't seen a decrease. I haven't seen an increase.
I haven't either, but
it's roughly about the same.
Mm-hmm. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, just to see, Uber is charging more, which is what they need to do.
What's your takeaway, though, from that? From seeing those charts,
Yeah.
What is your takeaway when you
My
see that?
takeaway is
funding is-
Uber is doing exactly what they're supposed to do. They're charging more and paying the same as 2019. So all that is in the bottom line. It's falling where it's supposed to fall. Like if I'm charging for the same trip that I was charging $10, now I'm charging 15 in LA, right? But I'm still paying the driver 60 cents a mile and 21 cents a minute with minimal incentives. We know what the incentives are these days. So that means they're keeping a bulk of that, increase in fares. Yep. I do the same thing. Hey, man, capitalism, wonderful, do whatever you need to do until you can't do it, until the Surge Club comes around. So we'll see what happens then.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.